Hello everyone, I've just smacked my elbow on the table because I am a fool. If you want to see what I've been up to, then keep on watching. Hello everyone, I just thought I'd do a super fast, quick, chatty video. I have no crochet to show you because I've just literally not had a chance to do any crochet. So if you are here for the crochet, I do apologise, you might not want to watch this video because this is kind of a life update rather than a crochet update. I hope everyone's well. It's been so long since I've done a video. Life got really tough. With uni, with work, with a lot of things. A lot of people are feeling stressed at the moment. I'm really hot, by the way, can I just say? It's a boiling hot day outside. I've got like a strappy top on, but I don't want to take this off because your girl's got really hairy pits and she can't be bothered. That's why I'm wearing this for this video. So what have I been up to? Well, work and more work. Uni has completely closed. It's shut until September. I finish soon, so I don't have to go back whatsoever. Everything's moved online. So literally everything is closed. We have no library access. We have no access to lecturers, like face-to-face stuff. Everything's online. It's all a bloody nightmare. Placement, I am still on placement. I had to opt into an extended placement. I was supposed to finish last week, but we are now getting paid. There is a long story behind that, a long stressful story behind that, and I'm not even going to go there. We are no longer supernumerary, so we are counted in the staffing numbers. As students, we are not normally counted in the staffing numbers. So because we had to, thanks Huey, opt into an extended placement, which was no longer supernumerary, they have to pay us. I've never had so much money in my entire life. And it's not even a lot of money. So yeah, I was supposed to finish last Friday, but I am staying in my current placement until I start my new job in July on the ward. So I'm currently on a community placement, and it is getting very, very busy. So contrary to what Matt Hancock said when he was like, all mental health services will soon be open, we never closed, sunshine. That man is a clown. If you don't know who he is, he's like the health minister. Is he? Yeah, he's the health minister. There's a few choice names actually that if you work for the NHS that they have for Matt Hancock, and it involves a certain appendage on a man, as you can well imagine. So we are getting super, super busy. The lockdown and the whole coronavirus situation is starting to affect and impact people's mental health massively. So I just want to say, if you are struggling, please reach out for help or just to speak to somebody. Mental health services are not shut. Mental health services have never ever been shut, even community services, throughout this whole epidemic, pandemic, shit show of a virus that is very stressful and very isolating for a lot of people. So please reach out. You are not on your own. There are so many people out there who are struggling at the moment. We have got very, very busy. People's caseloads are full. It's been a really, really tough few weeks. I'm not gonna cry, it's just my stress coming out, I think. With uni, it was all a nightmare. I'm not even going to go there because I'll probably be chucked out of uni in my last few weeks for saying things about the university and the way that the whole thing was handled. So yeah, uni's closed. We have had our dissertation, so we have to do a big research project at the end of our 3 years. Well, I've done 4 years. And that was, you could hand it in April, but they've extended it to July. So mine's going to be in July because everything's moved online. Our last module was supposed to be 2 weeks and then we were done literally this week, next week, and then I was qualified. But they've had to change it because we're working. So we get 1 study day off a week. So they've extended the module to 5.5 weeks. Yeah, and it was supposed to be a teaching module. So you're supposed to teach something, but now we have to write a reflective essay. If anyone's in nursing or knows about reflections, you will know how bloody boring that they are. So yeah, work's been amazing. They've been really, really supportive. It's just, yeah, it was all just a whole complete nightmare. And like I said, it's okay to struggle and it's okay to feel that this is getting on top of you, and I think that's completely normal. At the moment, you're not being irrational. And I know lots of people are worried about going out, and that fear, I think, is completely valid after everything that we've been told. And I think it's going to take a long time for people to get back to normal. And I'm struggling, and I'm really lucky that I get to go to work and I'm not stuck at home all day long, and I see different people. And I see my lovely service users who make me laugh so much. And my colleagues that are amazing, and yeah. So that is what I've been up to. I keep Googling on my days off, or I'm led in bed. I don't Google, I YouTube it, and I'm watching all these Disney vlogs. If anyone's a Disney fan like me, oh my word, it's making me so depressed because I just really want to go to Disney. And I'm like, yeah, now I've got some money. Now I'm working. I haven't got that much money, by the way. I'm only getting paid as a band 4. I'm not rolling in it. No nurses are rolling in it. I'm like, yeah, I'm going to save up and go to Disney, but it's all closed, so, which is depressing. I want Dole Whip, and I want Mickey ears, and I want churros. So yeah, that is what I've been up to. I'm working from home today, and it's a beautiful day. So in between doing some work and on my lunch break, I've been doing my garden. My tomatoes from a tomato are growing, so I will show you my garden. I've been battling with brambles as well. Brambles make me rage. They absolutely drive me nuts. You cut them down, you spray them with weed killer, like the stumpy bits, and they still come back, and it is driving me nuts because they're so evil. So I will show you my flowers. Oh, excuse me. And yeah, that's what I've been up to really. Not a lot, no crochet, no time to crochet, which is crazy considering a lot of people have got a lot of time on their hands, but I'm just a bit overloaded with work and uni work at the moment. So on that happy note, I'm going to go and show you my garden. And just a reminder, if you are struggling, please reach out to services, to charities. You're not on your own. And have a big hug from me. And now I'm going to show you my garden. Take care. So I have had to put some slug pellets down because my dahlias are getting munched. And my rose bush, well, it's not a bush, it's a climbing rose, but it's got lots and lots of flowers and more coming. Look, it's so pretty, and it smells absolutely bloody amazing. And then I got one tomato plant that I nearly killed because I overwatered it because I didn't realise the pot didn't have a hole in it. I think this is a squash thing. It just started growing. I think the seeds were in my compost. And this is one of my tomatoes from a tomato. And then I have another tomato plant. And I've got some chard, some carrots, a dahlia. There's sweet peas in there that haven't started growing yet because I only planted them the other day. This is courgette, but like the round courgette. Tomato from a tomato. Sweet peas, dahlia, dahlia, dahlia. And Meg and Daisy. Just chilling. I did grow you a long time ago, that's bizarre. And there's some weird thing flying around. Oh, I've also got these. This is the one that my stepmom bought me. They're like wild flower things that have grown massively. So that is it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time, hopefully with some crochet. Take care.